So now with Digant's speech with its title Zone Rouge, Digant, Mital.
Well, friends, today I'm going to share with you about a pic or a picture. Just tell me how it looks like. Come on, just unmute yourself. Does it look nice? Just send me the response in chat. How many of you would like that? This is really nice place. Okay, I'm getting responses. Yeah, Manuel likes it. Kelly likes it. Dina likes it. Okay, who doesn't like it? But Sarah likes it. Roland likes it. Most of us like it. And with eagerness as we venture out in the field, we understand, yes, this is a party time. This is the time for celebration. And just out of enthusiasm, we throw our bag in one direction. That moment, boom, an explosion happens. It takes a while for you to understand what has happened. Mind is not able to understand. It's looking like a grenade has blasted, or even more than that. Good evening, friends. Today I am going to share with you about Zone Rouge. Through this speech, you will be able to understand what impact war creates upon our environment, what it has led to, and what it can actually lead to. And the nice field that you are just looking at is nothing but actually a zone rouge of Verdun. Now, if you must not have heard about the Verdun, Verdun is a place where the famous, or I must say, the infamous Battle of Verdun happened in World War One, where it was just said that let's kill as many soldiers of enemy as we can. Let's be as brutal as we can. It is one of the biggest wars in the history where artillery shelling was so much. In this field that we are looking at as a cozy field, there are lots of unexploded art- artillery shells, mines. This field also is polluted with arsenic, acid, and various other poisonous chemicals and gases. And even apart from this, on a sad note, this field also has hidden in itself the skeleton remains of humans and animals. And all just because of the battle that happened. All just because of the war that happened. Now, if I were to tell about this, then as per the National Geographic Society's article, the battlefield of Verdun was there, and the Battle of Verdun, the infamous battle, lasted for more than 300 days. That is roughly the time which it took Mercury from the date Mercury was chartered till date. If I go for a comparison, it costed more than 300,000 of lives on both sides. And the territory in which it all happened was 42,000-acre territory. That's roughly the 3 times of the size of metro of metropolitan Beirut. And as per a renowned historian, first there were trenches for the holes dug in the field from where soldiers can actually point at the enemy and shoot the gun. Then artillery shelling started happening. Artillery shell came from the upper side. It just came from the upper side onto the field where the trench was there, and it exploded, and there was no trench anymore. Entire earth or entire battlefield was churned like anything with all the dirtiest things that our mind can ever imagine. Poisonous gases were there, unexploded shells and mines were there, human and animal were there, and whatnot. This was a casualty of war. There is a department in France, Department du Déminage, for specifically this. After the World War first ended, French government actually calculated the cost of all the casualties and all the pollution that happened over there. It and the French government came to the conclusion that it will take minimum 300 to 400 years. So, friends, I would just like to share with you one through this that wars happen, but it is better to prevent the war because when wars happen, pollution happens a lot and it can lead to a lot of destruction. And you can actually see nice field of Verdun is actually a savage field of Verdun. That's how I end my words. Thank you.